It was against those people who drove away some of the Prophet's camels and fled away 3 days before the Battle of Khaybar. Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa radiyallahu anhu says, I, even before the prayer call for the morning prayer, went out of Medina Munawwara, and the she-camels of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would graze at Zuqarad. Meanwhile, I came across a slave of Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu, and he said that the she-camels of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam have been poached. I inquired, who have taken them away? He replied, some people of Banu Ghatfan. He says, I shouted out, Ya Sabaha, thrice so loudly that the people residing everywhere in Medina Munawwara heard my voice. I then rushed towards those people till I overtook them while they were watering the she-camels. So I started shooting arrows at them, and I was saying while shooting, I am the son of Aqwa. It is a day of perdition. I kept on uttering this battle cry till I recovered the she-camels from them, as well as snatched 30 sheets of them. He says, then the Prophet ﷺ, accompanied by a lot of people, reached there. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle, I did not let them even to drink water, though they were thirsty. So dispatched some people in their pursuit. He ﷺ said, O Ibn Aqwa, leave it as you have made them flee away. He says, then we came back, and then Prophet ﷺ seated me behind him, or his she-camel, till we entered Medina Munawwara. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4194.